Scientists say the fastest sneeze ever recorded hit 100 miles per hour, so technically, if I sneeze hard enough, I might just rip open a wormhole. When I finally sneeze, my hair flies back, my cat levitates, and physics officially gives up. At 299,792 kilometers per second, I might have just achieved light speed mucus. Congratulations, you've sneezed yourself into another dimension where tissues are currency and everyone says bless you in binary. There, I meet my multiverse self who sneezes backwards, and it's horrifying. Science conclusion? Sneezing at light speed has a 0.0001% chance of opening a wormhole and a 100% chance of snot everywhere. Next experiment, can yawning spread across galaxies?